teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, today we have speaking test. Are you ready? Yes, very good. Okay, so high five first. Okay, good job. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. My name is Teacher Cindy. What is your name?
Is
My
Kevin.
name.
My name Kevin.
Okay, hello Kevin. How old are you?
Is
I'm.
happy.
How old are you?
Is
I'm.
9 years old.
Okay, very good. How are you today? How are you today? I'm.
I'm happy.
Yes, very good. Okay, so let's start again. Okay, what is it?
Is pen.
Okay.
Is a pencil. Is a eraser.
Okay.
Is a ruler. Is a pencil case. Is a backpack.
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 Okay, good job. Okay, what is it?
Book. Notebook. Desk. Chair.
Yes, very good. Okay, Kevin, you say it's a book. It is in a notebook, for example. Okay, can you tell me about this one?
Is a notebook. No.
It is in.
Is a chair.
Very good. How about this one? It's a.
Is a desk. It is a book.
Wow, very good. Okay, let's go. What shape is it?
Is a triangle.
Circle.
Circle.
Okay.
Is a square.
Okay, very
Is a triangle. Is a rectangle.
wow, good job. Okay, so you will say yes it is or no it isn't. Okay, ready? Okay, teacher asked you, is it a circle?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it. This one
Yes,
is.
it is.
Yes, okay. Is it a triangle?
Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. It's a rectangle.
No, it is.
Okay, it's a circle.
No, it is.
Oh wow, very good. Okay, next. What is this?
Is
This is.
this is pen.
Okay.
Is a backdrop.
Okay.
It is
Chalk.
Chalk.
This.
It is giraffe. It is glue. It is pen.
Tape.
Pen.
Okay, good job. Okay, what color is it?
Red, yellow, blue, white, black.
Okay, can you tell me? Say it's red, it's yellow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What color is it?
Is red. Is yellow.
Mm.
Is blue. Is white. Is black.
Wow, very good. Okay, what color is it?
Green. Is green. Is purple. Is orange. Is pink. Is bright. Is brown.
Wow, very good. Okay, so we're going to mix the color, okay? So for example, we have blue, yellow.
Yellow. My green.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Yellow. Red. My orange.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Red, white, my pink,
Okay, the last one.
red, green, my brown.
Wow,